Welcome to this first tutorial from Verb, in which you will learn how to add, update, and remove an area that corresponds to the technical domain of a user, and a dictionary that corresponds to the set of definitions for one or more domains. To get started, go to your dashboard and then to the Areas menu. Click on New Area, choose the icon you want to give it, enter its name, description, and the name of its manager. To update an area, click on this icon. You can change its icon, description, and manager name. You can also choose to use the dictionaries of your choice and know its users. To remove an area, click on this icon. To create a dictionary, go to the Dictionaries menu. Click on your dictionary, choose the icon you want, enter its name, and that of its manager. To update a dictionary, you can change its usage setting or click on this icon. Thus, you will be able to modify its icon, its name, and that of its manager. Finally, you can remove a dictionary by clicking on this icon.